Ancient China test. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1, continent of China, Asia, Africa, or Australia. Number 2, a military commander exercising civil power by force, warlord, aristocrat, or ancestor. Number 3, a symbol in writing based on pictures, warlord, ancestor, or pictograph. Number 4, a member of the upper class of society, usually wealthy, warlord, aristocrat, or ancestor. Number 5, a valuable cloth originally made only in China from threads spun by caterpillars, jeans, silk, or denim. Number 6, a person someone is descended from, warlord, ancestor, or ideograph. Number 7, a symbol in a writing system that represents an idea or thing, warlord, aristocrat, or ideograph. Number 8, the belief that the Chinese king's right to rule came from the gods, Tao, bureaucracy, or mandate of heaven. Number 9, the Chinese system of beliefs which describes the way kings must rule, Tao, bureaucracy, or hereditary. Number 10, a group of non-elected government officials, Tao, bureaucracy, or hereditary. Number 11, having title or possessions by reason of birth, Tao, hereditary, or mandate of heaven. Number 12, period of time in Chinese history that lasted for 200 years, fighting for power, Tao, period of the warring states, or mandate of heaven. Number 13, the philosophy that promoted duty to family and community, respect to elders, Confucianism, Taoism, or legalism. Number 14, a Chinese philosophy that stressed the importance of laws, Confucianism, Taoism, or legalism. Number 15, a Chinese philosophy concerned with obtaining long life and living in harmony with nature, Confucianism, Taoism, or legalism. 16, the geographic features that separated or isolated the people of China for hundreds of years included dragons and hills, ponds and fields, deserts and mountains. 17, he believed in the legalist philosophy and was a strict emperor. He also had books burned, Qin Shi Huangdi, Han Wudi, or King Tut. Number 18, this is the world's longest man-made structure built to keep invaders from the north out of China. It was started by the Qin dynasty and expanded by the Han dynasty. The Great Wall of China, the pyramids at Giza, or Hadrian's Wall. Number 19, a network of trade routes that connected China to the west, Cotton Path, Silk Road, Sandy Stretch. And number 20, this army was created to protect Shi Huangdi in the afterlife. Each statue was unique. They were discovered in 1974 by farmers. The clay men, the terracotta soldiers or army, or the dough men.